Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the WebUI to upload an Atlas activation code to a Hemsiphere 631 and a Hemsiphere S321 and 21 Plus. So what I've got is I've got the WebUI open and connected here, and I'll just link to another video that shows you how to get onto the WebUI. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to head up to my Management tab, the fourth tab there out of my options. And in my Management tab here, there's this GNSS registration option, and where it says auth code there, I'm going to copy and paste this J code that I got from Hemsiphere, and if you bought it from us, we would send that on to you. But what you can see here is I've got this $, JK, and then a whole bunch of characters. So what I'm going to need to do to upload this into my receiver is I'm going to need to remove that JK designation. Once that's removed, I can hit submit here. And what that's going to do is it's going to upload my authorization code to the receiver. In this case, this is not actually an authorization code for this receiver, so it's not going to work. But what you're going to see is where it says Atlas L-band there, you're going to get the Atlas level of accuracy that you have purchased for your receiver. So if I had H10, it would say Atlas 10 centimeters. If it said H30, be 30 centimeters, and so on and so forth. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use the WebUI to upload an Atlas activation code to a Hemsiphere S631, 321, and 321 Plus. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.